Are there any language that you could leave us with, a little tip about language, maybe not to say X, but to say Y, and feel about communication is so important? Like never say blood, you know?
Yeah, okay. So just, I guess going back to your question about money,
Right.
if a patient asks you, because they will,
That's
they're
right.
going to ask you, how much is it going to be? And I'll just give you a short story, which is that I had a cat who, had cancer and it was spreading. And of course I was freaking out when I was in my vet at Modern Animal. And I asked her, how much is this going to be? Right? I'm like, oh my God, here I am with like my car payment and all these things. And she handled it so gracefully. And she was like, I'm actually not sure, but what I know is that we have some of the best payment plans and we can make this work for you. And Heather at the front, she's our expert in all of our payment plan providers, and she's gonna run you through and figure out something that works for you and your budget. And so I think my point with that is not actually denying it, like not outright denying it, because that can make the patient feel bad, but being like, I'm not totally sure, because the truth is there's probably some, depending on what payment plan the patient chooses, right? There's gonna be some variance. And so it's better if you let the treatment coordinator just handle it and gently let them know that they're in great hands.